Thank you for joining me on this meditation and taking time out for yourself. I want you to find a position, whether seated or laying down, to get yourself comfortable, and just notice how you're feeling in your body in this moment. Loosen any clothing if anything feels tight or restrictive. Just become aware of each breath, moment by moment, without forcing, just allowing the natural rise and fall of the breath, whether it's from the belly, the breath in your nose, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Just take a couple of moments and just breathe and follow the rise and fall of your breath. And just become aware in this moment that there's more right with you than there is wrong with you, despite whatever might be going on for you at the moment, physically, emotionally, psychologically, or anything within your life. If you're breathing in with love and light, moment by moment, with each breath. This is a time for you to love and to nurture yourself in this moment. So I want you to imagine there's a white ball of light in your navel just below your belly button. And just see this ball of light getting brighter and brighter, and it's slowly swirling, slowly moving around. Just visualize this white, bright light. Breathe in with this light. Notice it's getting brighter and brighter. Slowly this light goes further down your spine to your coccyx. It's bright, traveling down. It's opening. And it's warm and it's healing. Sitting with this light getting brighter and brighter. Notice with the next in-breath, the light travels up your spine all the way to your heart center. You're breathing in, the light gets brighter and brighter. You're breathing out anything that you might be holding in your heart that no longer serves you. You might want to take a breath in and let out a sigh. Anything that you might be holding here, release. with each out breath, moment by moment. And each in-breath, this white light gets more expansive, and it's energizing, and it's loving and warm, and it's holding and supporting you in this moment by moment. And the light slowly travels up your spine even further to your throat area. And sometimes in our throat, this is where we can be holding on to things that maybe we're wanting to say and feeling like we can't, we just do not have that voice. So I want you to imagine this bright white light in your voice center, and to hold that and to know that you can speak your truth with words of love and light to yourself and others. It's okay to say no. It's okay to have boundaries and to take care of yourself. With the next in-breath, the light slowly traveling up to your head, to your mind, and the top of your crown. And this bowl now of spinning white light is getting brighter and brighter as it comes from above your crown. This connection from the universe. You're breathing in, you're breathing more light, washing through your mind, letting go of any thoughts you might be holding on to, any worries, any tension you might be holding, with the out breath to let go with a sigh. You might want to tell yourself something. You might want to know something. All is well. I am well. I can do whatever I choose to do. I am free to do whatever I want to do. I now have choices. Your body is nurturing and healing in this moment by moment. As you're noticing this connection with a white light, and the next in-breath, it's traveling further and further as you're filling your body with this white, beaming, bright light. Feeling energized as it's traveling throughout your body, your heart, your stomach, your hips, your genitals, your legs, all the way down to your toes. As you get to your feet, I want you to imagine now there's this connection with Mother Earth, and with each in-breath, you're then drawing in this golden, beautiful, warm light, and it's meeting the white light. It's a swirling pool of golden, white light as you're breathing that in, and they're pooling within your heart, merging. Noticing your body's here resting. I want you to congratulate yourself for taking this time to sit in this love and this light. And when you're ready, just to take another breath, start wiggling your fingers and your toes, and come back to the room when you're feeling ready. Namaste.